Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove an instrument cluster from a BMW 740 2001. And the reason being is because these clusters suffer from LCD issues at the very bottom, so you can't see the odometer. And this affects the BMW 7 Series E38, 95 to 2001, the 5 Series generation of E39, 97 to 2004, and the X53 BMW X5 from 1999 to 2006. So right now we're going to show you how to disconnect the battery and then remove the cluster. So let's get started. So the first step before we remove the instrument cluster is to make sure that the telescopic steering wheel is actually all the way out and down. That'll make it easier for us to slide the instrument cluster out, and then we'll remove the negative terminal on the battery in the back. So once you have the telescopic steering wheel all the way out and down, make sure to leave the key in the ignition on the on position to ensure that the steering wheel doesn't retract back, and then you can safely remove the negative terminal on the battery. Now it's important to note that you want to make sure the key is removed when you reinstall the negative terminal because it can cause issues with the fuses. So double check to make sure that the key is not in the ignition when you reconnect the battery. To disconnect the negative terminal on this battery, it's simply a size 10 bolt we're going to loosen up and then put the negative terminal cable on the side. This car has a roadside assistance package and it already has a size 10 wrench, so we're just going to use this and then we can get started on the cluster. Removing the instrument cluster in these vehicles is a very simple process. There's no plastic trim pieces to remove. All you need is a size T8 hex key and a plastic trim remover. Once you have the 2 screws removed, use a plastic trim remover to go ahead and wedge it. And if it doesn't come out right away, you can massage it on each side and then loosen it up. And you can grab the top basal piece of this instrument cluster and pull it towards yourself and just rest it on the steering column. And now you can access the plugs in the back. With the cluster pulled out, now I'm going to be angling it out to the left like so. And there's, as you can see, 3 plugs on the back. And to remove these, you can use either a tiny flathead screwdriver or your fingers. And there's a swing locking arm mechanism on each of these plugs. And notice that they're all color-coded. So there's a blue, a black, and a white. And on most vehicles of this year, make, and model, it'll be the same configuration. And that's it. This is how you remove an instrument cluster on this vehicle. Once you have your part removed, go ahead and ship it to us at UpFix. Our repair technicians will expertly repair this, keep you updated every step of the way, and then you'll have your cluster working back in good order. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We'll see you next time.